Okay, today we're cleaning this Lexus RCF. We're going to be using Cargod's Wheel Perfection Cleaner. We've got Cargod's shampoo, pure shampoo, and then for the tyres we're going to use Surfex HD at 10%. We've also got Bilthamber Touchless in these two sprayers. So we're going to put some shampoo in the bucket. That's probably enough. Get our pressure washer, stick it in. Nice and foamy, that's how you like it. And we've got our brushes here. Use a Go brush and a mitt. Let's start. So we're going to put the wheel cleaner all over the alloy. Like that, don't be shy. And then we're going to get our Surfex HD at 10% and we're going to cover the tyre. We want to get rid of all the old tyre dressing so we can put a new one on. So we just let this sit for a couple minutes, then we'll rinse it off. Spraying and rinsing, you can see the wheel is pretty much clean already, but what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spritz a bit more on, and then we're going to go in with the shampoo and do the contact wash. Shampoo in here, I'm just going to show you how much it foams up again. Protection on the paint, just how easily this shampoo rinses off. The towel from EZ Car Care, I'm going to show you how good it is at drying the car. Paintwork's looking great, and complimentary for the customer, we're going to put on Cargod's Holy Water Secret Shield. So what this is going to do, it's going to give a deep shine, and it's going to protect the paint for a couple of weeks. A couple of spritzes like that, and you get your towel, just wipe it in like that. That is all you need to do. Then what I like to do is turn it over and just give it a quick buff. There you go. Use Glass Perfection to float the glass. A couple sprays. You can also spray on the towel if you like. Work it in. Okay, then once it's worked in, I like to flip the towel over and give it a quick buff. enough. Now that'll just haze off to a nice streak-free finish.